Heavy rain could lead to flooding in southeast Queensland in the coming days. I'm Angus here at the Bureau. This is a severe weather update, and if you're looking outside your window you might be thinking, what is he talking about? Because it's been a hot sunny day so far across southeast Queensland, but that is going to change tonight for a couple of different reasons. The first of which we can see here on our water vapour imagery, showing where there's lots of moisture in the atmosphere, and there has been moisture gradually moving eastwards. This morning it was centred over the country in the interior here, but look at this high moisture air drifting out to the east that will reach southeast Queensland by the end of the day today, providing the fuel that will turn into rainfall. But that is not all. At the same time that that's happening, we also have got this change moving northwards up the New South Wales coast, and that is going to be having a significant impact on the wind flow tomorrow. In fact, we can zoom in here. This is about midday on Friday, and look at what the wind is doing. And on the southern side of this dashed blue trough line, we've got these strong southerly winds up from the bottom of the screen. On the northern side, it's a northerly flow down from the top of the screen. That gives us converging wind, and anytime we get wind from two different directions that converge together, that is ripe for storm and rain development. This can generate some very heavy falls right along this convergence line. So the combination of converging winds and high moisture in the atmosphere is going to bring rainfall to large parts of Queensland. This is the rainfall totals just out to the end of the day Friday, and the reds on the map show us where we expect to see more than 50 millimetres, and that's quite extensive. Southeast Queensland into the Wide Bay Burnett region, across the Darling Downs and Granite Belt, even into parts of the Maranoa Warrego, Central Highlands, and even the western forecast districts. The heaviest rain is likely to be down in this area here, and that is where we have got our heavy rainfall warning, which has just been issued a short time ago. In fact, we can zoom in a touch further to get a slightly more detailed view of which places are in the warning region. It extends from Coolangatta up towards Maroochydore on the east coast, of course, including all of the Brisbane metro area. Then inland, it extends out to the west through Ipswich, Toowoomba, up through Kingaroy, Dalby, and almost as far as Miles. So it's a broad region under warning. The warning time starts off late Thursday, goes through until midday Friday, but we could even see more rain after midday on Friday. But for now, the warning's in place through late Thursday and Friday morning, and across that time, in each 6-hour window, we could see 50 to 90 millimetres of rain in these areas, with isolated spots potentially getting up to about 150 millimetres of rain. That is a lot of wet weather to come down in a 6-hour period. If we do start to see these numbers, it is likely to have a significant impact, particularly in terms of flooding, where both flash flooding and riverine flooding are possible. Flash flooding being where flooding can occur anywhere where the rain is just too heavy to drain away. Riverine flooding, when the rain falls across a river catchment area, the water levels rise, and then flooding can occur downstream, further down the river, away from where the heavy rainfall fell. Both of those are possible in the next 24 to 36 hours. Water onto roads can cause significant transport delays, road closures. It can make for some long detours, so do try and minimise your travel once this rain sets in, and it's possible we could see some infrastructure or power outages and other issues such as that. This is going to be an ongoing wet weather event as well. The warning talks about Friday, but we could continue to see areas of rain on both Saturday and Sunday. So throughout the coming days, definitely stay up to date with your forecast and warnings, and of course listen to and follow all advice from your local emergency services as well. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.